This is your Illuminati financial news, and I will be talking about the NASDAQ in this video. But first, I would like to talk about the technate of America and how technocracy is taken over by the United States and other parts of the globe. So, the technate of America is a concept that emerged from the technocracy movement in the 1930s and 1940s, advocating a unified and self-sustaining North American continent. This vision included Canada, the United States, Central America, and parts of Northern South America, proposing a government system led by scientific and technical experts rather than traditional political structures. The movement aimed to replace representative democracy with a system that prioritized efficiency, sustainability, and resource management. In my opinion, I have not really heard of the Technate of America until recently, but I do think that Elon Musk and Peter Thiel have something to do with it. I do believe that Elon Musk's grandfather was somehow connected to the technocracy movement. So yeah, but look at what they got. Peter Thiel has got Palantir, which is surveilling everyone and creating algorithms to control people. And Elon Musk has got Grok, which is the AI, which is probably manipulating people's minds on a subliminal level, as well as SpaceX, X, Twitter, and Tesla, of course. So it sort of disappeared. That technocracy movement is what I've read into and suggested to me. So yeah, there's also that Curtis Yarvin guy. So he's like a philosopher type person. So it's all rather creepy. Thinking about the situation with Venezuela and Greenland. Another thing is that David Icke said in one of his recent videos that all these tech billionaires, most of them are just frontmen for the system, also created by the system these tech billionaires are. Let's hit the charts. So for the rest of the video, I'm going to be talking about the NASDAQ and what I think is going to happen to NASDAQ. And yesterday, the NASDAQ basically Jerome Powell, the Federal Reserve guy, held rates, did not cut or anything, which would make the NASDAQ in theory go up. So today was a red day because we're on the daily right now, daily chart. So every candlestick is a day. And it's gone down and it's starting to come back up. I thought this might happen after I saw it go red because I think that I just felt like this was going to happen. But I do think it might go down a little bit more over the next few days and over the weekend on the open. But I do think it will try and break this this high, the yellow, the orange line. So and these dotted lines here, I think are the support levels, because we got a touch here, we got a touch here, and we got a touch here. And on this one, we got a touch here and a touch here. We got like a piercing line here. So yeah, I think that it's going to go down a little bit, maybe to this level, and then bounce back up Originally, in my other video that I did a couple days ago, I thought that it was going to break and then do this sort of pattern like this and also, but that's not what has happened. And I noticed Microsoft went down. Um, the last video I did, I made the video and then I had a nap. I woke up and I realized that, um, and then I posted it and then I heard the Microsoft stock had gone down. So I was kind of right about that. I do think that Microsoft stock is going to go down a little bit more before it goes back up. So just look for those buy opportunities that I mentioned in the last video. So yeah. But if we look at the date weekly, let me get rid of these. There's also one here. So, you know, NASDAQ is just really an opportunity to buy on these little pullbacks and these major retractions. This is when Biden was in office. So, I think that's COVID. Wasn't too bad, but I think the shocks came later on around here. So, but in the other video that I did with NASDAQ, I said that when it's a red bar, a big red bar like these, it usually goes down for a little bit, you know, and you know, in theory, it could go down to here, down to here. These levels, this level here at 24200. Did I say 2400? 24200. Anyway, so yeah, it'll bounce eventually. It's just like minimizing your risk, maximizing your profits. But yeah, let me know what you think you want me to do in the next videos by dropping a comment, liking, and subscribing.